It's fuzzy. Okay, you guys, we're going to install the NINEO headlights. Okay, so this is for the H13, so it's an F350 Ford, and unfortunately my left side has gone out, and you got to take the grill off in order to get that light out and change that bulb down here. So we're gonna get her done, and I'll show you what that's all about. Okay, so it's actually quite easy. There's only 4 bolts up on top. They're number 10 sockets. So yeah, grab your sockets and or wrench socket, whatever you want. All right, down in here, grab yourself a long screwdriver, and down in here you'll see some clips. Okay, now there's a clip right there, and there's clips all along that you have to push on and get your grill out on the bottom. So they're kind of spring loaded, so putting them in is easy, but getting them out a little bit hard. Okay, so there they are, right all along there. Okay, so you just pop those out and your grill comes right out. It's actually quite simple, but getting in there is a little bit tricky. But anyway, okay, now you got access to these screws here. Take them out. And I believe I've done this before, so I think it just pulls out. Oh, there's one right here too, up on top. So we'll get those out and go from there. Okay, there's one right there underneath the light. Okay, between the bumper and the light, you got to get a socket in there and try and get that out, and hopefully you don't drop it. Okay, it's out. And if you do happen to drop it, it'll fall right there on the ground. So no worry about losing it. Okay, so just unhook your existing light that doesn't work anymore, which is that thing right there. So we're gonna put that away. Now you just take that. Okay, try not to touch anything on that light or anything. Keep your keep your thumbs up here, and just find the spot that it's supposed to fit in, and make it go in. There's slots in here that have. There we go. Line that up and turn it in, and there it is. That is it. Hook your wire up. I have to use 2 hands here to do that though. Hook your wire up like that, and there it is. There's the light. She's on. Wow, that's bright. Holy cow. All right, I'll show you after shot when I get things back together. So basically, okay, so when you get this grill on, all you do is put it up here, line up these clips and snap them in. Just hit it and snap them in, and you're good to go. Put your 4 bolts back up on top, and you know what, I'm going to change that other one while we're off, and it's basically the same thing. I don't think you have to take the grill off to do that one, but you might have to. I haven't checked, but anyway, we're going to do both and then get them done. Okay, I'm under the truck, so I couldn't get it started, and I don't know what I did before, but basically it's right up here. Okay, so and you find your hole, stick your bolt in, and it'll actually go in about maybe 1/4 inch or so, and it'll stay there, and then you can get a socket on it from the outside. Yeah, that's exactly what you have to do. Okay, so then get your socket out of there, and off she goes. All right, put the other 2 in, which is these 2 and the top one, and move on to the next one. Okay, so yeah, I was right. Okay, so you can get at on the driver's or passenger side, you can get at that bulb right there. You don't have to take the light out. So you can switch that out, and you don't have to take everything apart. Next stage, grill back on. All right, they're in. They're super bright, you guys. Holy cow. These are the kind of lights that get you flashed at night, because they think you're on bright, but you're actually on dim. Look at that. All right, you guys, good luck. That's my review. Thanks for coming.